This is the outlook of my flat, and this is 3 BHK house, and you can see a kitchen and a washing area with a guard. The washing area is 25 square feet, where you can keep your washing and you can uh, all the things whatever you want. And is a balcony of the floor, and then there is another room which is a small room, and then you can see the main bedroom. All right, this is the outlook. I would like to show you the society, and this is quite huge, like 14 floors, maybe 18, I don't know. So if you are interested, definitely you can give me a call on 9582794444, and I would like to take you to the main enzyme of the society. And it's a very green society where you don't need a AC or something. And fortunately, my house is surrounded by green lash greenery over here. And this is the best time to live over here because out of 1,000 flats, only 400 are occupied. So I'm just taking a pic of everything. So you can see, hardly any people is watching the crossing the roads. So this is my flat. All right. Thank you. This is the elevator area where you could take a lift and go to the bus side, but fortunately it's a ground floor, so there is no need of anything. This is the living area where the street people are walking, and I'm taking you to the left side of the balcony. So you can see there's a park. There's a huge building. You can see the park. Easy, easy. Right? And when I'll move to the second part of my home and balcony, I'm just walking like 30 feet from my existing balcony. You will see that I'm gonna open my door, and from my another balcony there's another look. Right. So this is the underway. You can see my balcony. Now I'm gonna take you to the kitchen, right? So as you can see, there's a lot of greenery over here. This is my entry door to the kitchen, right? So just have a look. Here's a sink where you can clean your utensils, and then you can see this is the washing area, which I don't want to open. Where you keep your washing machine and just clean your everything. And this is something which I don't want to open, which I don't like. Right. And this is something you can cook anything. This is a modular kitchen, which I have invested in the wooden work and everything. Right. You got it. Except of the chimney, you have to put everything. So you can see from the every corner. Alright, so this is my kitchen, and I'm really pissed off that why I'm selling this, but unfortunately I have to sell this because I'm moving out of India, right? So this is the area which is kitchen area. Women would like to shade, right? Right. Let's move to the hall again. So I'm out of the kitchen now. So you can see this is the hall where we have a corridor, right? And another balcony, and you can see another balcony which you can open any point of time, right? And you can see this is a quite big area. This flat area is 1768 square feet. Super carpet area, right? Alright, so if you'll go to the outside of my balcony right now, you can see that there's a huge space. Yes, green lash. If you're thinking to move to Greater Noida, this is the best place. Yes, you can see that. Yes, you can see that. You can walk on the streets. You can make a fun like you are in NYC or something. But really, it's cool. See the building. Yeah. People are walking on the road. Now, this is just the hall and the kitchen. I'll take you to the second and third option. So, by the way, this is the corridor from the hall, and there is one room at the left hand side and the right hand side. Right? So, let's go to the right hand side room. So, this is a room of 10 by 13 foot. Alright. So, you can see that I have done all of the wooden work over here. Right? Let me close it because it's none of your use. Right. So, as you can see, I have done all board work over here. And this is the wooden flooring over here, and this is the, window which you can put AC or cooler or something. But believe me, guys, this is not required. And this is the entry door. And now I'll take you. This is an attached latrine bathroom over here. This is not the very kind of supreme condition because I'm gonna sell it. So you can have a look. This is attached, and I'm gonna close the door so you can have another look. Right? So I'm just gonna close the door. Let's move to the another room, which is not a master bedroom, but really, but there is a wardrobe where 6 feet people can stay, and there are at least, it's like 6 by 6, so it would be like 36 square feet, and another side also there is 36 square feet wardrobe. Now we are going to another bigger room, slightly bigger than what we have seen previously. It's like 14 by 12. So just have a closer look. Alright. So here is also a window where you can see, almirah and all the things that I have done as a woodwork. Here's also attached bathroom, so there won't be any problem. So let's go to the bathroom. It's not very small. It's quite okay. Just need to clean it a little bit because I'm not staying here for last 18 months, right? So, yeah. Let's take a little left to the bathroom, It's quite big. Let me close the door because I don't want anybody inside my bedroom, right? So, yeah. See, this is 17 by 12 bedroom. The area of the flat is 1768 square. This is a very big wardrobe over here, right? Oh, now have a closer look. This is a bathroom, as you have already seen, and this one almirah very big. Another one, and this is for all. And of course, you can put anything on this window. Let me go opposite exactly to window, show you where you can put your AC. Yeah, here's a space for AC, right? So I hope you like it, and I'm gonna sell this out at a very attractive price. And you can always call me on that number which is displayed over here. What it is? 9582794444. Again, 95827944. If you are residing outside of India in the US, you can give me a call on 408-705-1098. Again, 408-705-1098. Thank you. I'm just closing this. Alright? Have a good day.